HopeScope bought her own knockoff merch, and instead of throwing it away, she sent it to me to upcycle for you guys. We have 6 pieces that we're gonna turn into 12, so stay tuned if you want any of these pieces.
Editing Matt here. I forgot to tell you guys that Hope also wanted me to make scrunchies for you guys out of the scrap fabric, but I didn't think we were gonna have enough, so we ended up deciding to make them all out of one fabric.
Let's run through the pieces that she sent me. We've got this blue t-shirt with pink and corally on the back, this white t-shirt with the corally pink and orange, a darker blue t-shirt with the pink and white on the back, and this white with the dark pink and corally pink. And then we've got 2 sweatshirts, this navy blue with pink and white, and lastly a white hoodie with dark pink and coral. Pretty good lineup. I'm excited to see what we make. Sourcing day has finally arrived. I have already hit one thrift store. I didn't film in there for you guys because it was so busy. I'm not gonna lie, I am not in the best thrifting mode today. Some days I find so much stuff and I'm just like in the mood, in the zone, but not today, which is so frustrating because I blocked off this entire day to source for Hope's order, and I've been looking forward to it all week, but it's okay. We're here, we're gonna make the best of it. I'm still so excited to be here, and hopefully being at my favorite thrift store is gonna turn the day around for us. Let's go see what they have. Good morning. I was way too tired last night to show you guys what I got. This is the damage. Let me show you really quick what I got for Hope. I got this really cool pink shirt, pink hoodie, pink and orange flannel, purple hoodie with a satin lined hood, pink flannel, mauve flannel, pink shirt, lighter pink shirt, pink flannel. As you may have noticed, everything is pink or purple. Let me explain. So the logo is pink and purple. I know it's like girl vibes, right? So I was like, oh yeah, like everything will just be pink and purple. Why I thought that, I don't know, because I went back to watch this video that Hope sent me with all of the knockoff merch. And I was like, wait, there's so many other colors. There's navy, there's coral, there's white, there's like a lighter blue. And I am so glad that I watched that this morning because there's a huge sale at Plato's Closet today where it's 70% off some stuff. And I know they're gonna have a lot of flannels. I think I have enough like sweaters and hoodies for the upcycles. I definitely don't have enough t-shirts because some of them I am gonna do on t-shirts because it's getting really hot outside. So I need to get ready and get to Plato's Closet, and hopefully it'll be my last sourcing trip for this order. Okay, it is finally time to start making all of the orders, and I think that I'm gonna start with the scrunchies because it's just the easiest thing to get out of the way. So many. Now we just have to sew this closed. Yay, we're almost there. The scrunchies are finally done. Yay! I way underestimated the amount of work this was gonna be, so I might have underpaid myself a little bit, but it's okay. We live and we learn. I love them. I think they turned out so cute. Like, they look like little flowers. I'm obsessed with them. I actually am releasing these on SFT as well, because right now I don't sell any scrunchies on their own. By the time that you see this, they'll be live on the site, and there's going to be limited quantities of each print. Now that the scrunchies are done, we can move on to the upcycles. I'm going to try to organize everything by what pieces they're going to be upcycled with. That way, when I get to sewing, cutting, etc., Hopefully it'll be a lot easier to keep everything organized. This is insane that I get to do this as my job. Thank you to everyone who's been here, who's supported me in any way. I think my niece is calling. Hello? All right, we are halfway through. I finished 6 of the pieces. I have 6 more to do. We are almost there. I have 2 more pieces to make and I have a vision. I don't know how to explain it, so I'm just gonna show you. I have no idea where I saw this style, but essentially I'm gonna take this fabric, which I've used so many times because I feel like it'll tie in the white, and I'm thinking of putting the back of the sweatshirt on the back of the sweatshirt. And then the front's gonna have like a different design. So I like the idea of doing something that goes like sleeve to sleeve. So I'm thinking I'll cut a strip of fabric and I'll sew it on top. This sewing trick, I guess, that I've been doing recently has saved me so much time trying to cut straight lines. But now you just like snip and then you literally rip it. And it's so easy, and it cuts it straight, obviously, because it's going against the grain of the weave, I guess. And then you just keep on ripping. I've been wanting to do an upcycle in this style for a while. Let's go. We have 1 more piece after this, so 2 to go, and then we'll be done. Coming at you with an iPhone video and extremely messy hair. Look how cute my studio looks at night with like the mood lighting, and she's all clean. I finished all the pieces, cut off all the threads, and was about to start taking all of the after photos and videos of everything. And then I decided to embroider my logo because I just feel like it makes it look elevated and so like luxe and custom. So I'm gonna do that real quick. shipping. It's insane. But before I can ship it out, since it's a huge order, I got this box from my brother and I need to go pick up tape to put it together and pinking shears because I want to send them a couple of things to give away to you guys. I want to make like 2 scrap fabric keychains. I ended up only having time to make 1 keychain, but this is how it turned out. It's so cute. And then I'm gonna send them this piece. This piece is so special because it has scraps from the first video that I was ever featured in, shopping for my subscribers' small businesses, and also from the second piece that I ever made Hope, which was the mystery box that I sent her. So it's just a very special part of SFT history, and I thought that it was the perfect thing to give away to all the hopefuls. All right, that is a wrap on this collab collection. I feel so honored that I was chosen to do this. Clearly, I'm wearing my favorite piece for this outro. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. By the time that you're seeing this, the show has already happened. But if you want to stay up to date on all things SFT and not miss anything in the future, follow me on Instagram or sign up to my mailing list on my website. Thank you so much for being here and always showing so much appreciation and love for my art. I could not do this without you guys. I love you so much. Have the best day ever.